How to change date and time in Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change date and time in Windows 10. For this, click on the Windows icon and select this gear icon to open up your settings. Now, you have the search bar here. You can search for change date and time settings, or you can also click on the time and language option from here. Now click on date and time. In order to change it, you have to turn off Set Time Automatically option. So go ahead and toggle this option off. You can also change your time zone. So for this, select any time zone from this drop down over here. Now to manually change your date and time, click on the change option. Go ahead and change the date from here. So select year, month and day from here. Now you can adjust the time from here and then click on the change option. And in this way you can change date and time in Windows 10. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.